Hey everyone, this is the menu for the toolbox and tools from Miss Hannah Pitts Cascio. 6 at 225, 2 for 4. Spot 1 wins 10, 2 through 5 each win 1. Spot 6 wins 5. Copy our list. Go live. 602. Paste our list, roll our dice, nail 4 or higher. 602. We got a 10. 602, 10 times. 6 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 items on the list. Miss Amanda on top, Miss Jewel on the bottom. Randomized 9 times. Dice called for a 10. 603, final time. Good luck, everyone. 10, 1, and 5. Miss Vicky wins 10. Miss Jewel, Miss Amanda each win 1. And Miss Deborah wins 5. 6 items, 10 times, 10 on the dice. Congrats, winners. We're done. 603. Thanks, everyone.